Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another segment. Today we're back in the bathroom that we just left out of. We were putting in a new sink. The sink, the spigot, everything is here. So let's get back on that. Now let me show you what I've been up to. Okay. Now so far what we've done, we put in our studs. This stud over here is screwed all the way into the wall. This one is going in. We have to finish that up now. And we spaced it at 9 inches in line with our sink. So now let's get that screwed in. Okay, we have our studs in. As you can see, that is our stud placement there. Also there. And we're going to go ahead and mount our sink now. Okay. These are the mounting holes. We're going to slip that through now. Okay. Now when we get it on there, we have washers, we have nuts, and this is just a spacer, and we're going to use that. Okay, let's get this on the wall as such. Okay, we won't worry about level, even though that's level now. And as you can see, there's a level there. Let's get these up now. Okay, now we're going into putting in the sink. We're going to put this together. We got the supply lines for the hot and the cold. They're marked blue, and you can see it. Cold is marked with blue stripes and hot is with red stripes. So we're going to put this on top as such, orientated as is. Put this gasket on here that comes with the unit. I'm going to put that in. Now we're going to put our holes, or our lines, our water lines, through the hole in the sink. And then we're going to attach this bottom as such. Let's see if I can show you that. It's going to go over this stud as such. It's going to go just like that. And then we're going to tighten this up at the bottom. Let's do that now. Okay. Let's get this in here. Okay. Bring our hose down. All right, now let's get that bottom in. Okay. Okay, we got the faucet on here. That's tight. We have our hoses connected to the bottom. We have to get our sink drain in next. Hi, I'm Michael. I'm back again, your handyman, and we're gonna call this a job for now because we have to get some more tools for the drain. But we have laid of paint, as you can see. So we're giving the bathroom a clean look. All right, with that being said, I'm Michael, your handyman, and I'll be back. Stay safe, think safe, and as always, hit that like and subscribe. I'll be back.